Nature hides its most potent secrets within the heart of the banana tree.
Selected at the peak of hydration, these stems are the lifeblood of our process.
The journey from the grove to the industrial heartland begins. Efficiency meets scale as thousands of stems enter the facility.
Only the core remains, pure, untouched, and nutrient-dense. A rigorous cleaning process ensures every fiber is free from impurities.
The flow is constant. The precision is absolute. Imminent pressure is applied to break the cellular structure. And then, the essence is released. Liquid gold in its rawest form. Every drop is filtered to achieve a smooth, crystalline texture. Centrifugal force separates the density, perfecting the juice's clarity. Controlled heat preserves the nutrients while ensuring safety.
Stored in climate-controlled environments to maintain peak freshness.
Finally, the journey reaches the bottle, ready for the world.
Seal in the freshness. Our automated system ensures an airtight lock for every bottle.
The mark of quality. The final identity is applied. Grouped and protected, ready for the long journey ahead. Sturdy packaging is the first line of defense for our delicate cargo. Handled with care. Every box is packed to perfection. Traceability is key. Every batch is tracked from farm to table. Strength in numbers. Pallets are built for global transit. Secured for the road. Nothing moves until it reaches its destination.
A seamless digital system manages the heartbeat of our distribution.
Across miles and borders, we deliver the essence of the tropics. From the plantation to the palm of your hand.
Banana stem juice. Pure, powerful, perfect.
Wake up your body with the natural energy of the tropics.
Rich in natural fiber, our juice supports a healthy gut and smooth digestion.
A natural diuretic that helps flush toxins and cleanse your system from within. Traditionally used to support kidney health and prevent stone formation.
All the flavor, none of the guilt. Zero added sugars or artificial sweeteners.
Stay sharp and hydrated during your busiest days.
Good for you, good for the planet. Our packaging is 100% recyclable.
Radiate from the inside out with antioxidants that love your skin. Find your balance. Pure hydration for a focused mind and body.
The secret ingredient for your daily nutrition. Versatile and delicious. Loved by thousands. Join the movement toward natural wellness.
Experience the power of the banana stem. Order your pack today. Behind every bottle is the hard work and dedication of our local farmers. We believe in a circular economy, turning natural waste into a world-class wellness resource.
See how the beta-glucans are binding right here. Nice there.
And this spike in the data correlates directly with the structural density.
From our local roots to the global stage, bringing the tropics to the world.
Power through your urban hustle with a boost that's 100% natural.
Pure enough for the ones you love most. No chemicals, just nature.
Our production is powered at the sun, minimizing our carbon footprint.
The fastest growing natural beverage choice in the market today.
We are just getting started. Prepare for a revolution in taste. Recognized globally for quality, purity, and sustainable innovation. More than a business, we are a community committed to health for everyone. For a healthier you and a greener tomorrow. Banana stem juice. Drink pure. Live strong. Order now.